Stop it!
And
A fly kick you in your face like Jackie Chan. Me da put her off the stage in your face. Same way. Same way, me na business.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Now, if you're from Jamaica, you'll be surprised by this video. You can't come to Jamaica and do as you want. You can't come from other countries and come with your country's supremacy to Jamaica. Now, this is what happens when you try messing with Jamaicans. Now, this foreign lady coming from the United States of America saw it rough after trying to splash water on a common Jamaican restaurant worker. Now, it didn't go well with her. This led into a thorough and a very bad fight. Let's watch this video, come together, have a quick discussion. You can't harass Jamaicans on their own land. You can't harass blacks the way you want just because you come from the United States of America, UK, those big countries. Now, let's watch this video, come back, give a quick discussion. Let's see whatever is happening. Thank you so much.
Stop it!
There's a video now making it rounds on social media. A video which involved what appears to be a server at a popular hotel chain and a female guest. Look, when we speak of these hotels as the modern plantations, people think a joke we make. Look, when you go to these hotels, many a times you will see the disrespect, the humiliation that these employees must endure in order to earn a living. And the funny thing is, these guests doesn't know any better, because in their hearts, when they're paying that type of money to stay at a hotel, they're thinking they are Virgin Mary and Joseph. So when they are here, they're supposed to be treated like royalty. Not only that, they're supposed to be able to mete out any type of disrespect they feel like they can or they want to onto the people who serve them. Right? Because they are paying high volumes of money to stay in these places. But little do they know that the people who are serving them are not benefiting from these high fees. You see, I'm going to show you how these colonization work. These hotels are what the government uses as ways to inflate the employment rate. These hotels have what they call contract workers. Every 2 or 3 months, they take on a new batch. And then they send home the old batch and say, hey, we'll call you when we need you. And they recycle them. And very few will get a second call for a second term, second contract, 2 to 3 months or 4 to 5 months. That's how the new hotel industry in Jamaica operates. It's a new slave plantation. And little do the people who go there know that these little Jamaican people who are serving them diligently are not really benefiting from the high fees that they pay. You understand? It's hard. And when you look at the plantations, you see these guys from different races walking around with pages and walkie-talkie on their belts, like they're border patrol agents in Miami and Chicago. While these Jamaicans walk around and accept all the disrespect from these people. And even if they report this to the administrative staff, nothing will get done, because they are supposed to endure this, because they're the new slaves. And us as Jamaicans sit back and watch that, and our leaders sit back and watch that. Where in the contract that these investors sign are there provisions for these simple Jamaicans working there? They are contracted workers. That means they have no fringe benefits, no health, no dental, no accidental death, no life, no paid vacation, no bereavement, no fringe benefit. That is why they are considered contracted workers.
Good morning. I hope you are all blessed and highly favored. Well, yes, I know it's 2 something in the afternoon, but me just come off my last night shift. A morning for me. Anyway, So as I was scrolling upon this Tiki and the Tuckies, a video come across my For You page of at Rio in Montego Bay, where I have been. And let me just say, all the staff members work long ass hours and are always so nice and respectful and just good, nice people. All right. Me see a video of a lady, of a guest at the hotel throw water in a staff member face. No, said staff member knock her the fuck out, basically. Rightly so. And she knock out the friend till the friend try come jump in and she just go pow, the friend go fling. Child, I wish I tried to stitch the video on here, but me don't know how you do it. So me just come on here and start to talk about it. But if you click, if you type in the search Rio Montego Bay fight or hashtag it or something, you'll see it. You'll see it. Anyway, let me just make this very loud and very clear. If anybody throw water in my face when I am at work, if you think because I am at work you are not going to get the repercussions that you deserve, you're wrong. You're very wrong. That will be, I was about to say something that might get me banned on here. It'll be instant karma. Instant karma. Yeah? Yeah, because if you think me not going to do anything because me at work, me no business. Instant karma. I'm with Cardi B. If I was on stage and someone had dash water upon me like so, I wouldn't just throw the microphone upon your rotted face. No, me a fly kick you in your face like Jackie Chan. Me da put off the stage in your face. Same way, me no business. Anyway, have a very blessed day. All right, toodles.
Where American woman decides to throw water in the face of a Jamaican worker in the hotel in Rio Montego Bay, and she got dealt with big time. And then a friend tried to intercede and she got dealt with also. She got swung right to the ground. Now, it's a warning for you ladies in America. I'm not saying all of you in America or wherever you come from. Do not go to Jamaica and think you can disrespect anyone there, because they won't take it. The code is respect. Yeah? And that's what you always say, respect man and whatever, yeah? They take respect seriously. Yeah, so if you go to Jamaica and you decide you want to disrespect, you will be dealt with. They don't care who you are. It could be the prime minister who goes somewhere on on a walkabout and he disrespects someone. They're gonna deal with him. Yeah, they don't care. So it's a warning, ladies from America, and I'm not saying all the ladies in America. Know what you're doing when you go. If you leave your manners, please bring your manners to Jamaica. You can't leave it in America. You have to bring your manners with you. And if you haven't got any manners, you try and learn some before you go to Jamaica. Because if you go there and disrespect anyone in Jamaica, they will not have it. Yeah? So that girl, she got a good whopping for misdemeanor. And if she had a problem with the hotel worker, she should have gone and just set it to the desk. The front desk, and they would have dealt with it. But no, she thinks she's gonna throw water in the face of the woman and thinks the woman's just gonna take it. She wasn't taking it at all. So it's a warning. Manners carry through the world, ladies. So when you go anywhere, you have manners, and you don't go on like you're at home, back at home. The things that you can get away with at home in your country, another country won't appreciate it and won't take it. And Jamaica is definitely one of them. They do not take disrespect. I repeat, Jamaicans will not and do not take disrespect. So you were warned.
Now, if you come from Jamaica, this won't be the first video you are seeing. A foreigner coming to Jamaica and trying to harass common Jamaicans. Now, sometimes it doesn't end well with them. This is what happens when you come to our countries, black countries, and try to do as you like. Now, there is this specific foreigner who was in a Jamaican restaurant, then in a disagreement with this black Jamaican lady, splashed some water on her face, and insulted her and used the S words, the curse words that we as black people do not take them lightly. Now, it didn't end well for her because she thought coming from a big country will save her. Now, the white or the country supremacy, however much you come from a big country, when you come to Jamaica or when you come to the Caribbean or any other black country, just carry your dignity with you. Just carry the respect. As much as you respect yourself, you want to be respected back. You must respect the locals. Now, it doesn't end well when you try harassing the local people, when you try harassing the common Jamaicans. Now, this is not the first video I'm sharing. I did share a video of a guy who came to Jamaica, then tried harassing Jamaicans, tried using the curse word, the N-words, and you all saw what happened to him. Now, I also shared a video of a Chinese lady who engaged herself into a fight with a local lady just because of a handbag. Now, it never ended well for her because she lost the shop, she lost everything, she lost the supermarket. Because Jamaicans were angry with the act, they came after them and they burnt down into ashes the supermarket. Now, this means one thing. Now, when we travel to their countries, we do carry our respect and dignity, and they do anything they like with us. They harass us, they do anything. We have seen the mass altercation of black people in the US, in the UK, everywhere. Now, we have had Chinese who were born and raised in Jamaica. Very good people. Now, their friends, their relatives comes in to do business. They are invited by them. Then they come with those white supremacy or something. Now, the Chinese are now confusing themselves. They think they are whites while they are red. Now, this is what happens when you come to Jamaica, then you try messing up with them. Now, the government may allow them to come because the government of Jamaica has now left their borders to be so porous. People are coming to Jamaica anyhow, the way they want. Now, the other day we saw 258 people. We saw 258 Indians coming to Jamaica. Now, undocumented. Now, they came with, I don't know, they used the backdoor to come to Jamaica. The reason they came for, no one knows. They were into hotels everywhere in Jamaica. Now, this means the borders of these countries are becoming porous and porous. Now, the government should take action into this. Now, Jamaicans are now suffering into the hands of the Chinese, Indians. Now, we have seen so many people from the United Kingdom coming to Jamaica, doing well, how they want. We have seen people coming from the USA, coming to Jamaica, and they try to harass, they try to bring their country supremacy to Jamaica. We have seen so many other people. We have seen so many things happening. Now, this is not the correct way to do things. If you go to Rome, do whatever Romans do. Now, in this scenario, Jamaica is the Rome we are talking about, and Jamaicans are the Romans. Now, if you come from the US, if you come from Africa, Asia, anywhere in this world, if you come from Europe, do not carry your continent supremacy. Do not carry your country supremacy. We know you might be superpowers, but when you come to Jamaica, there are rules and regulations. There are cultures to be respected. There are people living there, the indigenous people. We have the people who toil so hard to see the roads built. Their taxes are being taken to see the Jamaica develop. The Jamaica wasn't built in one day, so you must respect those people who take heed of the development of the economy of Jamaica. You must respect those who pay taxes in Jamaica. We know you come with your foreign money, you come into hotels and all that. However much you come, however much you pay the government, but the locals must be respected. Do not come with a lot of disrespect because you are coming from a bigger country. Now, there is this thing called sovereign power. Now, every country has its own sovereignty. So it's not a matter of how much your country is big or how much your country's influence is on the planet. It is a matter of respect. If you want to be respected as a common, as a traveler or as a US citizen who has traveled to Jamaica, you must show back the respect. Respect is two-way traffic. If you respect me, I respect you. If you respect Jamaicans, they will respect you. In fact, they are the most good people you will ever meet. The vibe in Jamaica, their music, everything, their food. But if you come with your hot head that you want to take control, you want to harass them because it's a black country, or because you think your country supremacy will save you, or your race supremacy will save you, my friend, you are not going to be spared. Now, Jamaicans have come out in big numbers to criticize the incidents. This should not be happening. Black people are important too. And I have seen some black people coming from the US trying to harass their own black people too in Jamaica. This is so pernicious. This should not be accepted in a black country. Now, this is just a call out to all Jamaicans. Do not accept these acts. Do not accept to be harassed in your own countries. And this is a call to the to Prime Minister Andrew Holness government. Do not allow Jamaicans to suffer in the hands of foreigners. Do not allow anyone to come and take control of Jamaica, because Jamaicans vote. Wake so early, go vote for their leaders to protect them, to protect their borders. And now what do we see? The Jamaican borders are so porous. So many foreigners are living in Jamaica. They do not respect the locals in Jamaica. They think they own that country. They do as they want. Now, if this continues this way, we are going to see a more facile Jamaicans. We are going to see Jamaicans in resistance, and this won't be good at all to the international image. Let's protect our dignity as Africans. Let's protect our dignity. Let the Jamaican government protect its people. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it so important, please consider subscribing to the channel. I love you all. Salute, my guys.